Near Protocol Explained. What is Near Protocol? Near is a decentralized development platform designed to provide the ideal environment for dApps by overcoming some of the limitations of competing systems such as low throughput, low speeds, and poor cross-compatibility. Keep watching to learn applicable knowledge on Near Protocol. Before that, subscribe our channel. And hit the bell icon to stay updated on latest cryptocurrencies guides. Share the video with your friends. If you want to ask any question and clarify your confusions, feel free to write on the comment section. It operates on top of the Near Protocol, a developer-friendly proof-of-stake (POS) blockchain that incorporates a number of innovations to boost scalability and reduce costs for developers and end users. Its innovations include a unique take on sharding and a powerful new consensus mechanism known as Doomslug. It is being built by the Near Collective, a worldwide community of researchers, developers, and thinkers, who wrote the initial code for the Near Protocol and continue to support the project by releasing bug fixes, updates, and building out the surrounding Near ecosystem. Since the code for Near is open source, anybody can join the collectible and begin contributing towards its development. How does Near Protocol work? Similar to Ethereum, Cardano, and Tron, Near can be described as a base layer blockchain, which means it is the foundation upon which other applications are built and deployed. Near uses a technology known as Nightshade to achieve its massive throughput capabilities. The scaling solution sees individual sets of validators process transactions in parallel across multiple sharded chains to improve the overall transaction carrying capacity of the blockchain. This solution differs somewhat from the sharding system used by other blockchains, in that each shard produces a fraction of the next block known as a chunk. These are processed and immutably stored on the Near blockchain to finalize transactions contained within. It's built to simplify things for developers, while also giving them a powerful toolkit to build next-generation applications with. Because Near uses a contract-based account model, developers can build advanced apps that can sign transactions on behalf of users, allowing them to execute agreements without the user needing to be physically available to confirm the action. What's so special about it? Near is designed to be a next-generation platform for dApps. To achieve this, it tackles some of the longest-standing issues in the blockchain space, as well as some that have only become apparent relatively recently. For one, Near is incredibly fast. It's able to process somewhere in the order of 100,000 transactions per second, TPS, and achieves transaction finality near instantly thanks to a 1-second block cadence. According to Near, its technology means it can achieve transaction fees that are 10,000x lower than they are on Ethereum, making them essentially negligible. Though its technical advantages are arguably its biggest selling point, Near is also intended to be approachable to those with little to no knowledge of blockchain thanks to so-called common sense onboarding. This means regular users will be able to access dApps built on Near with a similar registration flow they're already experienced with. This could help developers reach a broader audience, while also reducing frictions for those already accustomed to using dApps. Near provides developers with a range of modular components to help them fast-track their development and get their projects off the ground quickly. These include example implementations of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, faucets, token contracts, guest books, and more. The full range of examples and their code can be found on the official Near GitHub repo. What is the Near token? Like the vast majority of blockchains, Near also has its own native utility token aptly named Near. It's the token used for incentivizing nodes on the Near network, and is also used for powering transactions and the numerous Near smart contracts. As a community-governed platform, Near token holders can participate in the on-chain governance of the Near platform, or they can have a validator vote on their behalf. Discussions about the development and marketing of Near products and the surrounding Near ecosystem are currently held on the governance forum. Users can also submit their suggestions to the Near Enhancement Proposals repository, NEPs, on GitHub.